Hey guys, it's Jesse over here at S&J Customs. I've been missing my shop sorely because I've been working at other things, But I got blessed this week and a guy brought me this old handmade knife. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a restoration for him. And I'm gonna have y'all come on along and watch that if you will, And I'll get back with y'all when I get set up to do this. We're gonna try to do it the easy way first, but things very seldom work the first time the easy way. We're gonna try. Y'all forgive the clutter. I've been helter-skelter like tornado style all the last 3 weeks now. Ain't got nothing done really. Well, I have. It looks like we may get blessed, but we're not gonna be able to say the scales like I wanted. Whoever did this obviously did it by hand. This is you can see the hammer marks, this is the Ford scale right here and hammer marks. I'm gonna leave as much of this as I can, But what they did was they quenched it and just took it down right there, and that was it. And it looks for all the world like they used the Dremel tool to cut the bevel with. Hey guys, I went ahead and cut the pins because it appears to be that there was no epoxy. They used a vulcanized, it feels like rubber for all the world, but I don't know. They evidently just used what they had for a liner, and there's no epoxy. And then them handle scales, y'all, they were tight and right. No epoxy, it was just peen on the handle. Looks like they got 1/4-inch holes just so they could do that. But here's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna go ahead and get it set up so y'all can watch us clean up this handle. We're gonna give them some nice new ebony scales, and I'm thinking the orange ones because that's what came on the knife. And we're gonna try to keep it as traditional as we possibly can. But I'm gonna make this will be an heirloom for his children, grandchildren, and so forth and so on. All right, y'all, we're gonna get back with y'all here in just a few, okay? Yeah, as y'all can see, it's not perfect, but it's beautiful to me because of the way they did it. I mean, the lines in the belly, all of that, the spine, it's got a distal taper. It's a beautiful piece, and we're gonna see if we can make it right. Oh well, we're gonna clean it up. It's as right as it can be. I don't know what kind of steel it is, but it's hard. I believe it will hold an edge, you know. Okay guys, that's about all I can do on the grinder because it's all about the hand sanding now. We'll get back with y'all, man. Hey guys, I had to change the batteries, and I decided before I get all off into the hand sanding, I'd clamp the scales on to make sure that my handle is flat. And guys, whoever did this with basic, and I mean very basic tools, and it looks like hammered almost to finish. He got his handle scales surprisingly symmetrically flat. One little place, nothing a good painting won't cure. And it was incredible. He had those peened on there like he did too, because there was no epoxy. All right, guys, we're gonna get to it, man, and I'll show you a little bit of that, but you know, I ain't gonna bore you with too much of the hand sanding. See how pretty that's coming out? Yeah, this is gonna be a heirloom piece. British Brothers family. And I don't know who made the knife. It's obviously old. Hard, good steel, you know. Mr. Jimmy came to visit me a while ago, and I don't know where he went. For the first time, though, there was a young tomcat in my yard this morning. He came to the house, came in the house, ate some breakfast. And Jimmy sat right there and watched him, you know. I didn't like it. That's a first. I think he's jealous of his little sister, though. He didn't want nothing to happen to her. Yeah. Clyde, man, he is a good baby. There's Jimmy as we speak. Those are belt marks. At least that poor man had a belt on. Y'all get the idea. I'll get back with y'all when I get somewhere else with this thing, man. Hey guys, it's kind of late over Saturday here, and check this out. I've got all of the hand sanding done, and I'm gonna leave some of the marks in where they ground the bevel, you know, but I've got it polished up where I'm gonna do it, and tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and in the morning glue up them handle scales. It's gonna be ebony with orange G10 liners. All right guys, I'll get back with y'all in the morning, man. Y'all have a good night.